Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching again another episode of Upstream Charlie. And today's episode, the second episode of the month of January 2026. Happy New Year again. And today we're gonna do another throwback of a gadget. It's another Bluetooth speaker. It's part of my collection. And this Bluetooth speaker, it's called the Santex Apollo Supreme Max. So this is it. So it has a big capacity battery and it has two speakers. But later we'll discuss that in the spec side of this video. So just want to tell you some stories. I use this with my PS4, to increase the volume and also to generate the feel of a first-person shooter. And what else? I use this also for watching movies. Okay, I connect this using the aux cable 3.5. It's here. Again, later we'll discuss that at the specs part of this video. You can connect this to your TV, your laptop or PC using the 3.5 millimeter cable, okay, or jack. And what else? So if you want to have an enhanced sound experience or audio experience, it has two speakers in front. Okay, later we'll tell you what the watts are. Oh, by the way, I bought this in Lazada, so it's still being sold in Lazada. I think like the XM20 of Tilex, this is one of their bestseller in their speaker lines. Okay, in terms of the sound bar. Okay, I think this is the premium sound bar that they have compared to the other models of Santex Apollo series. Okay, so yes, it has been with me for more than 3 years as well, and it's still effective. Yeah, very, very powerful speakers. So without further ado, let's check on the specs of the Apollo Supreme Max. So this is the Santex Apollo Supreme Max. As you can see, let's check out the physical attributes of this Bluetooth speaker from Santex. So in front is a metallic grille, perforated, bottom piano black plastic, the back piano black plastic, on the left side matte plastic cover, and the bottom there's anti-slip on the left and on the right. Okay, and at the back you will see TF micro card, and then aux for the aux cable, and then micro USB for charging, and of course USB for, well, if you want to put in some USB stick, all those downloaded music, you could put it in here. And here, hope you could see it, on the top is the power button.
Santex Apollo Supreme Max Bluetooth mode.
So you have a preset sound every time you turn on the power. If you turn off the power, this is what you will hear. So no voice recording. And when you turn it on,
Santex Apollo Supreme Max Bluetooth mode.
Okay, so in this one, this disc is the knob for the volume. Okay, and on this side there's a letter M here, that's the mode, and here on the left and the right, that's basically moving backwards, moving forwards if you're trying to search from the files. Okay, and this one is play and pause button. It's the play and pause button. Okay, so this is basically the controller, and these are the IOs. Okay, so the Santex Apollo Supreme is a step up from the Tilex XM20. So Tilex is basically vertical, while this one's horizontal, and it's a mini bar, no? So it's a step up in terms of power and form factor. It is designed as a portable soundbar, making it a popular choice for both desktop setups and TV audio. So here are the specifications of the Santex Apollo Supreme Max. The output power of this one is 20 watts, dual 10 watt drives. So there's two speakers here, 10 watt each. Okay. Then the Bluetooth is 5.0, represented by the blue light. So it's searching for a host to pair. And the battery inside of this one is 2000 milliamps, 3.7 volts. Okay, the frequency is 60 hertz and 16 kilohertz. Signal to noise ratio, SNR, is around 90 decibels. Again, the inputs are Bluetooth, aux 3.5 cable here, connector, and what else? It has USB, then micro USB for charging, and then TF micro SD card, and it has a built-in FM radio as well. So maybe the modern one, the updated one has because this one doesn't have. Okay, this one is also around 3 to 4 years old speaker, and the newer ones has TWS support, just like the Tilex XM20. You can pair two of these for an even wider soundstage. So while the Tilex XM20 uses a single larger 4-inch driver for a punchier bass, the Apollo Supreme Max uses dual 10-watt drivers, giving you a much better stereo separation and higher overall volume, a total of 20 watts. It's more of an all-rounder for movies and music. So that's the specs for the Santex Apollo Supreme Max.
Suntex Apollo Supreme Max. Play by USB drive.
Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. This is Charlie Jose and you're watching Upstream Charlie. Happy New Year!